Welcome to Prestige, the first ever social media AI app that you will ever need. Let me show you how easy it is to create and automate all of your posts with the latest AIs using Prestige. The very first thing we're going to need to do is to create a brand to tell the AIs who we are and what we want from them. So here we can let the AI generate a placeholder logo that we can then edit, and then we can also let it generate all of the colors for our brand. Perfect, and we've created this brand for us in just a couple of seconds with all of the colors, all of the logos, everything we might need to make sure that we are ready to start posting. And this is the most crucial step here, brand identity. And the AIs generate this for you in just a matter of seconds, as you've just seen. And Prestige doesn't end here. We can create logos, we can create blog posts, but most importantly, we can go ahead and create our very first post that we can then automate and make sure that our AIs can handle all of that for us throughout all of our social media accounts. So to create it, we just go here, we select our brand, put in a title, and we write an initial description. We click on generate post, give it a couple of seconds, and then we're going to go into a unique image here where we're going to be able to change the text, the image, and everything else Prestige generates for us. And we can see it right here. It's already generating something really cool for us that we can modify however we want. We can change the design, we can change the text, we can change the images, we can make sure that whatever is generated fits for our brand and fits for whatever we want to post. And with AI and an entire stock library generated for you for images and videos, unlimited access to the most unique and brand new AIs, Prestige is your gateway to automating your posts, setting your entire social media accounts on autopilot and forgetting about them. And with integrated 24/7 support, access to linking your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and many more accounts, Prestige is the last tool you need to automate your content. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.